I got this table about 1.5 years ago. It's a 7 foot by, a little over 4 feet in width. It's a steel tube, 2-inch square, 1/8 wall, very similar to the table I had made over here for my wings. Anyways, bought it from a guy here in town, and he makes these, but he just rattle can painted it like a light blue. It was really quite ugly. And it didn't have a shelf under there. And I had been storing some things under there and kind of had a half-ass shelf and stuff kept falling off. So anyways, when my buddy George and Jay over at Nat Warfare made my wing table, I brought this table over to him and I had to make some modifications and weld up some angle iron on the sides and then lay down a sheet of aluminum here. And now I can put materials and stuff in here. I had some bar stock and stuff and it was always rolling off and falling off on my feet. Now I've got this little lip here and I can put whatever materials I want there. And then I had them powder coat it. I did this like hammer tone or whatever the hell you call it. Black and silver, of course, to match everything else here in the shop. I also had them make some mods to my drill press table or stand. Again, I had them add in a shelf halfway and all this kind of wasted. You could put stuff down here, but then you're kind of wasting space up here. And this is a great space to put all of my, I'm starting to organize them. Angle plates. I've got a T-slot fixture plate that's coming, that I'm gonna mount on here. And all my hardware, I'm gonna get some toe clamps and all my bolts and stuff for that. I'm gonna make a little tray here. I can have all those things there. So, oh, and then I also had them weld on the retractable casters so I can move this thing around. So little by little, adding some very useful things to the shop here. Getting ready day by day for my Rans S21 build, which should commence hopefully in about another month and a half.